Hi there, students. Pleonasm. Okay, pleonasm is the use of too many words. The use of one or more words that are redundant, because that meaning is expressed already in the phrase. So, I don't know, for example, he killed the dog dead. Well, killed, it's dead. He killed the dog. Dead is not necessary. The two of them are both the same. Well, two and both, they both say the same thing. Or an ATM machine. ATM, automatic teller machine. So it's already, the word machine is already there. It's talking about redundancy in the words that you use. To see with your eyes. Well, what else can you see with except your eyes? Okay, so just to see. Now, let's see, a free gift. Well, by definition, if it's a gift, it's free. The burning fire, the black darkness. So, now, next question. Is pleonasm wrong? Well, from a technical point of view, it may be a stylistic error. But it's not normally wrong. It depends what you do, though. There are some phrases where, yes, it becomes wrong. So, for example, the phrase cash money. I don't like the money bit in cash, either cash or money, but cash without the money. Or the fireman is a firefighting fireman. Well, it's not wrong. That in that case, it's just a redundancy. The past history, an exact replica. But you see, I think pleonasm, particularly for a writer, is actually very useful, because you can use pleonasm for emphasis. Or it might add rhythm or make a poetic quality to the words you're using. I think also pleonasm can be good for clarification, particularly in a noisy environment. So it could be looked at as a stylistic flaw, but I think generally pleonasm is not such a bad thing, as long as you don't go over the top. If you go over the top, then if you go over the top and too far and beyond what is reasonable because you go past the point, then it begins to become a stylistic error. Although in this video, I think pleonasm is something that is very important for me to use, because it helps you to understand. It makes my point clearer. Let's see. This comes from ancient Greek, pleon, to be in excess. So to be in excess, pleonasmos. Okay, so it's something that has gone too far. Pleon, more than necessary. Kick it with your feet. Well, just kick it. I myself like using pleonasm. So, is that a stylistic flaw, or am I emphasizing that I myself You see, I think I myself is quite good. I think if there's poor syntax to used when making a repetition, that's where it starts to become bad style. So using more words than necessary. Okay, is it a fault of style or is it for emphasis? I think if you're trying to write something that's very succinct, for example, a précis, then I think pleonasm is wrong. But otherwise, I think it's a useful technique to help people understand better, to get your message over, to make your message much clearer. So, pleonasm, the use of more words than necessary. He was such a tiny little child. Well, tiny little, pleonasm. I suppose so, but is our objective in life to use the fewest words possible? I think maybe when writing it could well be. It's something that's perhaps redundant. His writing is difficult and often pleonastic. Legal writing is often unclear and contains many pleonasms. He was a notoriously pleonastic after-dinner speaker. So parts of the speech are too brief, and I think it needs the addition of some pleonasm to make it clearer. So I would use the word verbose as well, wordy, repetitive. Something like that as well. Pleonasm, pleonastic. 6 point. No, I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. Pleonasm, pleonastic. Bye for now.